welcome back to my channel. It is Wednesday, the day before Thanksgiving. I have a lot to do tomorrow. Well, not a lot, but yeah. I'm baking my famous blueberry cobbler. Speaking of blueberry cobbler, I actually made blueberry cobbler last year. I'm not gonna lie, everybody liked it. Everybody enjoyed it, but at the same time, it was well cooked, but I felt like the dough kind of raw in the middle. But this time I'm gonna leave it in the oven for at least 45 minutes. As last year I left it in the oven for like 35-40 minutes, but the dough wasn't completely cooked through. But this time I'm gonna do it right. So yeah, I'm gonna do that tomorrow and get dolled up all pretty. But first, let me get settled and get my nails done. Alright guys, so I'll be doing my nails right now. It is almost 9 o'clock and I'm over here doing my nails at almost 9 o'clock at night. Usually I don't do my nails when they're short. The only time I do my nails is when they're naturally long. Because my nails, they tend to break for some reason. But yeah. They're kind of short. As you guys can see, I'm all settled. I applied my base coat and let me go finish the rest of my nails and enjoy the rest of my night and go straight to bed. Alright guys, so it's Thanksgiving. Just came out the shower, blow dry my hair, and I'm all dressed up. And I'm gonna do my makeup now. So I'll be back in a few. Thanksgiving for YouTube. When did you get him? I didn't see him here last time.
Just last Saturday.
Oh.
¿Verdad? Los tenedores no he puesto.
Hi Angie. Here, this is for YouTube.
No. Thank you.